Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we've got another video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and get a follow button in your Facebook profiles. But before we start our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, let's go ahead, open our Facebook is open, tap on this profile icon. So let me show you, I have this add to story, so I don't have that follow button right here. So what you will have to do for that, tap on your profile icon with your horizontal line, go tap on the settings icons. For example, you will have to go to this option called followers and public content. As you can see, whatever settings you have available over here, turn them all to public. So, and then you will go back and find this profile and tagging, and here what you will do, who can post on your profile, simply go ahead, tap on it and turn this to only me, so no one can tag you to your profile. This is for your profile's purpose. You will go back, tap on the settings again, and then you will scroll down, and the main other thing that you will have to make sure of is that you will find this option called how people can find and contact you. Go ahead, tap on it, and now you can see, so what you're gonna do is you can simply tap on this who can send your friend request option and turn this to friends of friends, not to everybody. Go back to my profile, right? I'll refresh once, and once I'm done, tap on this three dot icon given, tap on this view as, and now you can see I have just got that follow option right there. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.